Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the HDR colors on your Xbox Series X for your video games. So to adjust the settings, most time if you go to the game specific settings, you won't be able to do it in the game. You have to do it on the system level. So we want to go to settings right here, and then go to general, and then go to TV and display options. Then go to the right, and then don't go to calibrate TV. We want to go to calibrate HDR for games right here and select this. Now your screen is going to go black real quick, and it's going to say like no signal. Then we want to go to next under the screen, and then we want to press right or left on the D-pad until we can barely see the little checkboards on the screen. So I'm going to bring this to the left and darken this image so I can barely see it right about there. Maybe I'm going to make it a little bit lighter, and then I want to go to the next image. So it should be just about black. Then let's go to the next image. It'll be the same thing. So I'm going to darken this one a little bit so I can see the checkboard pattern, and it should be visible on your screen unless your screen's not calibrated. So let's go over to brighter, and then I can barely see it right about there. Now I'm going to go to next, and we have one more screen right here. So you can see it right now. It should be popping up for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and make this brighter, and it's going to be pretty much white. I can barely see it right now, except then I want to go to next. And the images displayed right now should be the calibrated image on the left and then the uncalibrated image on the right. So you can just look at those two images and see the difference. But we should be done now. You can go back to your game and your screen will go black, and then it should come back online here. Switch your game and it should look just a little bit different now that you calibrated it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.